If you're wondering how to use Mailchimp for mobile marketing, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to leverage Mailchimp's powerful tools to reach your customers on their mobile devices, helping you boost engagement and conversions. Stick around, because I'll also be sharing an exclusive offer that you won't want to miss. To start, Mailchimp is more than just an email marketing platform. It's also a versatile tool for mobile marketing. Whether you're creating mobile-friendly campaigns, automating messages, or analyzing mobile user behavior, Mailchimp has got you covered. The first thing to focus on is creating responsive email campaigns. With Mailchimp, you can easily design emails that look great on both desktops and mobile devices. The key is using their pre-designed mobile responsive templates. When you choose a template, make sure to test how it looks on mobile. Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor ensures that your content adjusts automatically to the screen size, which means your messages will always look polished on phones. Next thing, automating your messages. One of the most effective ways to use Mailchimp for mobile marketing is by setting up automated campaigns. Whether it's a welcome email, a special offer, or an abandoned cart reminder, automation allows you to send messages at the perfect moment. With mobile notifications, these messages get instant attention, increasing your chances of conversion. The third thing to do is segment your audience. Mailchimp offers robust segmentation tools that allow you to send targeted campaigns based on customer behavior. For example, you can target people who have interacted with your mobile ads or those who have clicked on links in your mobile emails. By sending hyper-targeted messages, you ensure that your mobile marketing efforts are more effective. The fourth thing is optimizing your subject lines. Since mobile users are often checking their emails on the go, your subject lines need to grab attention fast. Keep them short, punchy, and clear. Mailchimp gives you tools to test different subject lines and see what works best for your audience. With a little trial and error, you'll be able to write compelling subject lines that get opened on mobile devices. Next, let's talk about using mobile-friendly landing pages. When someone clicks through your mobile email or ad, you want them to land on a page that's just as optimized for mobile as your emails. Mailchimp's landing page builder ensures that your pages look great on all devices, keeping your audience engaged and increasing the chances of conversion. The sixth point to consider is tracking and analyzing performance. With Mailchimp's mobile analytics, you can track how your emails are performing on mobile devices. You can view open rates, click-through rates, and more, segmented by device. This data is critical because it helps you understand how your audience is engaging with your campaigns, allowing you to make adjustments as needed. Finally, don't forget to personalize your campaigns. Mailchimp allows you to personalize messages based on customer data, making your mobile marketing campaigns feel more relevant to the individual. Whether it's using their name or sending them offers based on their purchase history, personalization boosts engagement and makes your audience feel valued. So, there you have it, an overview of how to use Mailchimp for mobile marketing. Don't forget, you can use this software completely free from the first link below, where we've also got exclusive bonuses for you. You can get started today with a special extended free trial, which gives you full access to all the features you need to take your mobile marketing to the next level. Thanks for watching! Be sure to check the first link in the description for your exclusive offer and start optimizing your mobile marketing with Mailchimp today.